2019 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.